Guys, today we're watching Mom make an explosion for the second time. It wasn't really as it planned out. The explosion wasn't really supposed to be like that.
Hey? Did it hurt? Hey?
That was the first explosion, guys. First one over here.
And a measuring spoon of citric acid in the jar and check for the mix the contents. Citric acid is citric acid. That was all in it.
Mom, so I'm going to do, the camera's going to go into the table and then I'm going to pause it. And then I'm going to unpause the camera when we've made it. Okay?
Hon, can you shake it? Nothing's going to happen, we're just shaking the contents.
Guys, look at this right now. I'm literally shaking it. Yeah.
You filming?
Yeah.
Didn't even get to put it down, Ethan. Wouldn't that time, didn't it?
Guys, get a clear view of that. You can hear the sizzling, guys.
Well, it's hot, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I can't do any more. We have to wash them and let them dry now.
Okay. Guys, that's it for today's video. See you next time.